this is Anshika Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are really doing well, and thank you so much for giving me all your love and support. So guys, in previous videos we learnt about fashion croquis, fashion sketches, flat sketches, how we can easily make the garments in few minutes, the difference between flat sketches and fashion figures, means fashion illustrations. So in this video I am gonna tell you about the fashion figure details. Now what do you mean by fashion figure details? Fashion figure details consist of how you make legs, how you can make hands, how you just make face, because every time when you show your garment, when you show your designs on a piece of paper, it is quite necessary to make a proper fashion figure model also, because many a times you make the garment very good, but the model you make is not up to the mark, so that really dulls your garment. So I am going to tell you about making the parts of the fashion figure like hands, legs, face, the shoulder line. These things really affect the fashion figure. In my previous video I show you about flat sketches and about fashion figures and all. For those we should really know about to making a fashion figure, as I already told about the proportions, the measurement of fashion figure, but dividing a fashion figure into 9 head croquis or 9 head square, we not always convey the same message, convey the same imagination on the paper. So let's see how we can develop these on the piece of paper. And mainly the thing is, there are plenty of ways to make illustrations, to make fashion figures. Everyone has their own taste, everyone shows their creativity on the paper by their own style, their own imagination. So it is not always necessary that you should go according to others. You can make your taste on the paper. Like if I talk about myself, I don't do fashion figure face details. Every time I just make garment details, I make whole fashion figure model, but I don't make fashion details. That's my taste. According to you, you can use any sort of your creativity on the paper, but knowing well about fashion figure is quite necessary first. So here I am telling you visually, and I will be showing you some figures in which making hands, making proper legs can show your garment much better. So guys, here I am using a pencil. This is a 5B pencil and a sharpener or eraser, and it will be better if you don't use scale, because making figures and making illustrations you can't use ruler all the time. It will be quite free hand practice. So first of all we will make hands. So how you can make hands is, there is a technique to make a proper hands. You have to make glass, like a hour glass, half glass, like this way. Then again you have to make a glass, like from bottom to the top, like this, and then you can make hands. Like if you want to make proper hands, then you can make. If you don't want to show the fingers, if you don't want to make proper hands, then you can also skip these fingers making process, like this way and like this. Then you can have detailings of it, like starting from here. Get your pencil little dark, like in this is a glass shape, then little bit out, as you can see real hands also in quite pictures, little bit of out, then here this is quite out. If you don't want to make proper hands, instead of it you can make like this. this is a kind of hand you can show, and afterwards it you can same as make the hands, little bit of out then in, little bit of out then in. Here is the wrist, our wrist, so our wrist covers very small portion, then upside again hourglass like this way, and then you can join it in a very cool way. Here are your hands, then this way. These are two manners you can make hands. Mainly I am boxing up which curves are really important to give. Here, here and this one, like this portion and this portion. These two portions are quite important when you show hands in fashion figures. Now you can make hands in different positions and postures according to you, according to which you can mention fashion figure, according to you want to show your garment in the figure. Now I am going to make legs. So for legs again we have to process the same procedure, a hourglass type shape, a normal glass like this way. This will be a crotch part. Up to this we will be having hips. Now quite distance from the crotch, before leg crotch part, gonna make another one. Now here this is a glass, right? After it we gonna make the lower portion of the legs. Starting from the knees, we gonna pressure little bit of knees, it will be out like this. Then below again we have to just proceed it. For the left side we gonna make it out little bit here, and then straight like this. Then again we have to make straight and little bit of out like this. If you want to practice it daily, you can see the real human pictures, the real models or any fashion pictures. You can always get the legs like this, you can practice it like that. And these are a simple manner to make legs. Then below it are ankle. For this we will be doing this like this and like this. So guys, these are our legs. Hope you can see it clearly. You can make it, and it really depends on you in which position you want to make fashion figures. So you want to make variations of the legs, but one side of the leg is always flat, one side of the leg is little bit curved always. So guys, hands and legs, the basic manner I already told you. Now I am gonna show you how we can make faces. So for face, if you want to make a freehand face, then normally we make like this, like you can make a circle like this, and then you can make a proper circle like this, and you can give it dimensions afterwards like this. But if you are facing problem by making a proper face, what you can do is that you have to make a proper circle. This manner you can learn making a proper circle. This is a circle. Now what you have to do is that you have to make two slant lines, one from here and the second one from here, and now you gonna shape it. One, here one's two, slant, this little bit down, then you gonna join it like this. It will be the chin portion, and this portion will be for the hairstyles. Now what you have to do is that you have to make this face into equal half portions. So let's draw the line here is half portion like this. Now the half portion of it might fall over here. Here, this half portion will be our eyes. So let's situate eyes over here. Normal eyes. Now what you can do is that afterwards you gonna again make it half, so its half will be somewhere here. This will be your nose portion, like this, and then you again have to half it like this, somewhere over here. This half portion will be your lips. Like this. So in this manner you can make a face, and then up for the ears, your eyes will be starting, then up to the nose. These will be the ears up to here, and this portion is for the hairstyle. So afterwards you can make any of the hairstyles over here. I am just making a cool bun over here. Either you can have any of the hairstyles accordingly you want to style your fashion model further. I am just giving you an example to create a look. Here is the face. From here we gonna take the neck, and below neck there will be shoulders. So for making shoulders, what you can do is that just line up, just decorate your fashion figure like that, because mainly when you see models, you can see they are very thin, they are very slim, so that we are able to see some type of bones and sharp skin. So for contour in the future, when you want to color your models, this science will you help you out like this. And for the, this will be your body, like this, your bust. And for the shoulder, what you can do is that you can just give lines like that, that makes your model looks really attractive. So guys, when you give these lines over here, these makes your model really attractive, and when you gonna color them with any of your colors, so it will look like that you are making some real figures, very attractive figures. So this is all I wanted to convey to you about legs, hands, face, neck, shoulder. And when you make the waist, just waist is this. So your waist is equal to the face. You can make it like this and like this. So guys, hear it all. So guys, let me show you some hand movements also. These are some hand movements. You can practice it like this, front or side, any of the movements you can practice it. And these are some face movements, you can practice it daily basis. And these are legs movements. So these are legs, you can just practice it like this, so that you can make your fashion figure quite better, and you can know how we have to just make the legs in different positions. Here are also some legs I wanted you to show. It is front, back, side pose, everything. So guys, as I already shown you the whole processing of fashion figures, the detailing of fashion figures. So you can practice it daily so that at last you can know in what manner you can put your imagination on piece of paper, because proceeding further, making your mind written down on the piece of paper is quite necessary. It makes your work to just run in a flow. And hope you like this video, and this will help you in the future very well. So if you have liked this video, press on thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and don't you forget to press the bell icon. So stay tuned for my next video with many of the fashion details. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description, and your all suggestions, questions and comments you can drop right below. Thank you so much guys. Stay tuned, stay safe, enjoy. See you soon. Bye bye.